let me kind of compare and contrast because you mentioned the SBIR stuff in there. And look, I think good thing to say is the SBIR program has always been huge to kind of helping new companies get off the ground, get new technology developed that can then get incorporated into programs of record. It doesn't always come from the SBIR firm. They often get acquired. Some of that AP will be relicensed, but it's been a great program. What has changed a lot, and this will get into how Agile has been successful, what's changed a lot is that used to be a very top-down kind of program. So what I mean by that is you'd have the principal investigators or PIs in each of the agencies that basically were looking at the future needs and then saying, okay, this little technology niche is like something I want to invest in. And they put an RFP out for that specific one, and then you go and you win a small grant and develop that tech. And a lot of that tech never really went anywhere. It didn't really go into a product because maybe the market had shifted. What you're seeing now is a smaller number of bigger awards. They're more targeted. There's more flexibility in there. So it's allowing folks to look at more of a solution than just a technology. Other changes, again, it used to be very top down. Now it's very collaborative. So the DoD, the Space Force, the other agencies, they are much more open to having conversations well before these funding solicitations have kind of come out. So you can have those conversations, understand where you can actually add value and get ahead of it before a proposal comes. And that's important because the best way to leverage this is to put your own skin in the game as well. So not just have SBIR funds, but then put some of your own IRAD investment towards it. But you can only do that, especially as a small business, when you've got confidence it's going to come. And then I'll call it the kind of last part of the triangle when you really hit the jackpot is when you've got good, strong commercial relationships with your future customers that allow you to get some CRAD in there as well. And that's beautiful because that usually gives a real flight path